Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Zian and you're watching Flying Zian. This is the place where I teach you how to make planes that will blow your mind. So first of all, I'm sorry that I could not upload for the past 2 weeks. Actually, I was injured in a bicycle accident, but now I'm totally fine. So let's come to today's plane. Today we are going to fold Artemis. This is not my plane. I'm not taking any credit to fold this plane. This is a plane folded designed by Paperbase. I'll link his channel below. This is an amazing dart which flies really far. You will see what I'm telling you about when I show you how this plane flies. But overall, this is an amazing plane. I give full credits to Paperbase for this plane. So let's see how we fold it. So let's show you how to fold this plane. This is a amazing dart, so I'm just gonna keep this aside. So I am using US letter size paper for folding Artemis, this which means it's 8.5 by 11 inches by 8.5 by 11. So 8.5 is the breadth, 11 is the length. So all you're gonna need to fold this plane is a piece of paper and a folding tool. The folding tool is optional but highly recommended because this plane needs a lot of folds, and after a few folds it gets really thick. So our first fold is basically getting this edge to this edge. So try to get this very exact because this is one of the main creases. If you don't get this right, it is gonna follow through the whole plane. So that's done. Crease it really nicely. So now all you have to do is get this edge to this crease we just folded. So this is like a normal classic dart design. So we just make two small triangles and then those two small triangles join to fold a bigger triangle. So we fold this completely. So now we have something like this. So we have this. So try to get the whole thing exact. So yeah, that's done. Now we have to do is get this point, our tip of the plane, to this edge where both of those meet. So hold those flaps nicely because they have a tendency to come out. So now you can use your folding tool. Now this is just an indication for the next fold, but you better crease it completely because you need to, so that you have, this plane needs a lot of exact creases. So if you get even a bit of the crease wrong, so there's a big chance your plane won't fly very nicely. So our next fold is just getting the crease we just folded. So we have a crease here to join this crease, our main crease. So that's done. So again, crease it hard. Now what we have to do is do a squash fold. So it's better that you have something like a pen or pencil here, because you have to get like a squash fold is basically, I'll just show you. Just open this whole flap. I was telling, because having a pen or a pencil is very simple because it helps us to go to the hole inside of it. So just take this flap and just make it parallel to the center crease, so that we have a bigger flap which is parallel to the center crease. So that's done. So get the whole thing exact, try to. So now we have to do the same on this side too. Again, get a pen or pencil right inside here. So that's done. So yeah, so crease it completely. Now just to check the whole thing, what we are going to do is just fold it like this. So just to check that the whole thing is symmetrical. If it's not, just make it totally symmetrical. Like if you see mine, it's a little bit bigger on the left flap than it is on the right, so I'm just gonna fold it so that it's totally symmetrical. It's okay if you make a couple of mistakes, just correct those mistakes. So that's done. Now that's our main thing done. Now what we are gonna do is take this whole edge and bring it to the center crease. So this is a tricky part because the paper here is really thick now. So just do it. Now crease it hard so that we have a good, because this is tricky thing to fold. So that's done. Now you can just fold it again and crease it here too, because so now that's done. Now our main folding is done. Now all that left is to make these flaps and the winglets. So another thing I like about this plane is the huge winglets. They really help the plane to fly straight. So what we have to do for these winglets or these flaps here, so just make an imaginary line from here to the edge. So I'm just gonna take a pen and a ruler and a pencil to show you what I'm talking about. So yep, like this. So you can see that we have to start from this edge and end just so that the whole thing's parallel. So this is gonna be pretty simple because it is like, so crease it hard again. Now again, if you missed it, if you missed that part, I'm gonna show it again. So yeah, that's done. Yep. So just take this from the edge and crease it through that line. So now you can see that our plane is getting a bit of its shape. So now all that's left is folding the winglets and the main wing. So just fold it normally. Now you can make the wings. So get a decent angle on the angle of the wing. So we don't want it to be very huge or very less. So another tip, if you're folding it, just try to hold this really hard, because if you don't hold it, it has a very big tendency to just come like this. So try to hold it. It is still gonna come a little bit, but try to hold it as far as you can hold it. So again, hold it tight and crease. So now get the whole thing symmetrical. So now you can see that how we are gonna fold the huge winglets. So if you have seen the whole video, you might have guessed that we are just gonna fold this up, and if that's your guess, you are totally right. We are gonna do that. So that's our winglets done. So this plane doesn't need a lot of adjustments, just a bit of up elevator, and because it has, its wing is also good, has so much surface area that it does not need so much of adjustments. All it's gonna need is, you can just clamp it down and a bit of dihedral and very less of up elevator. Yeah, just that much. So that, my friend, is a completed Artemis. I'm giving full credit to Paperbase to fold such an amazing design. I'll link his channel below and some of his videos. So thank you guys for watching. Now let's see how these fly. Thank you for watching guys. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.